Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Another fabulous car bought direct from the last local lady owner who we've known for a number of years. This is a beautiful Audi TT S-Line TFSI. This one's the 2-litre petrol and manual 6-speed. And what a beauty it is. Ibis white. Absolutely gleaming away. Registered in November 2010 on a 60 plate with exceptionally low mileage of just 32,000 miles. Incredible. That averages out about 3,200 miles per year. That's all it's done. It's beautiful all the way around. They really are a great looking coupe. Great fun to drive. Beautiful all the way around. Let's take you around and show you how nice this car is. Great size boot for the size of the car. There really is. Nice deep boot. Carry lots of stuff in there. Split folding rear seats. No damage in there at all. Very well kept. No spare wheel, but you've got extra loading in there, so you can hide little bits and pieces under there. Complete toolkit, locking wheel bolt, all there. This one's also got the rear parking sensors. Twin exhaust. Just look at it. Absolute beauty. No nasty little dings or scratches or dents down the side of it. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they are brand new. There's no mark on any of these. 2 brand new tyres fitted, so it's got a complete set of matching tyres all the way around. All the bodywork across the front, absolutely beautiful. No nasty stone chips. Considering this car is 10 years plus, it's exceptional all the way around. Headlight power washers. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. It's got the Alcantara door trim on there as well. All the trims again, absolutely beautiful condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Sport seats again in fabulous condition. Leather and Alcantara, of course S-Line embossed. All the rear seats again, great condition. Non-smoker's car, no horrible smells, no damage to the trims, just beautiful all the way around. And nicely tucked away in the glove box, you've got the AUX and USB input. Audi concert stereo CD system. Climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. The rear spoiler, although it comes on automatic, you can also use that little button to pull it up. Again, just beautiful inside, all the trims. Mileage of just 32,625. That's just on 32,625. 2010 car. Incredible, incredible mileage. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel. Stereo controls. This one's also got the Bluetooth upgraded system on it. Vehicle's just been serviced, ready to go. That flat bottom steering wheel is absolutely lovely to handle. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance order available direct from ourselves. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. We do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. So before you make a decision to buy a car elsewhere, remember we have nothing to hide, full transparency, complete walk around video, no doctored pictures. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. And remember our guarantee, if you reserve this car, your deposit is fully refundable should you turn up for the car and feel the car has been misdescribed in any way. Further details on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.